Jupiter. Sagittarius. I think this is a moment for you to, because the reason why I said Jupiter is because I just looked up where Jupiter was. Jupiter is still in Aquarius. I think this is a moment for you to figure out how you balance yourself with the collective. Very specific. Very specific, very specific, very specific. Oh! You already know how to do it. Stop right now. You already know how to do it. Bottom of the deck, already been done. It's intrinsic. Oh, trigger warning. If you don't like sweat, this is not your video. It is 4 pum on the Maui, and I'm a hot mess. However, I mean, just look at this. I am so excited to film these full moon videos here on the Mauis. There's a lot of really fun things going on with this full moon. The degree of the sun and the moon are at 8. The sun has Chiron and Venus, right? Also at 8 degrees next to it. This is big. This is healing. This is value. This is focus. It's Aries and Libra, so we're saying I am balanced with my feelings, balanced with the moon, balanced with reverence, balanced with air, life, relationships. I am maintaining my individuality. So with that said, enjoy, and you're welcome. It's intrinsic. Ah! The moon. Okay, broken heart. Okay, radiance. Scorpio just got that. Okay, daughter of swords. So the moon is your heart of the matter. You already know what this is. You already know how you internally balance your identity with the collective. You already know it's right here. 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 Do some ritual in remembering. Do some soul work in re-tapping into this alignment. You will heal your broken heart once you do this. You will heal. There's a big opportunity to heal expectations regarding heart. You will then thrive. And daughter of swords, you will stop seeing your life as a waste of space. You will stop judging the way that you live. You will stop feeling like you are not living to your fullest. I can't. You need to watch Scorpios, because I think you and Scorpio are having some mows right now. This is amazing. This is divine transformation. Divine transformation. Do you balance? Yes. Yes. Are you thriving, kickball, changing, living, dancing in your own adventure? Yes. Is there a way that you can do it more aligned? Sure. I think you're foolish if the answer to that is no, I'm doing it perfectly. This says your moon holds the information for your transformation. On this full moon moment, on this day, on this time, in this life. This is great. Boom. Short. Bye. Okay. I love filming these videos. They're so fun. So, if you want to go on a journey, watch the Libra through Pisces. What came up was pretty profoundly magical. I had a great time. Here's the other thing that I want to say. In order to understand balance, you have to know what you're trying to balance. You have to surrender to A in order to understand how it affects B. Then you have to surrender to B in order to understand how it affects A. You can't balance things that you don't know what they are. Libra is the scales, right? You have 2 bags. You want to find the balance between these. I have something in this one. There's nothing in this one. Therefore, what do I need to put in this one in order to make it balance this? You have to open it up. Well, what is in here? Okay, this is a boop boop and a boop boop and a bop bop. Okay, what do I need to put in this one then? This is a boop boop, this needs a bop bop and a biddle a diddle. Then you say, okay, now I understand how to balance these two things. Open up your subconscious, this moon. Open up your feminine center. Open up your receiving center. And say, I want to know what is in here so that I can... Hello! I want to know what is in here so that I can then balance myself. I want to know what is in here so that I can understand value, so that I can understand healing, so that I can understand reverence, beauty, and love. The Patreon exploration was stunning. It is live. Patreon, Sensible Paul. No dollar amount. Go on over there, sign up. I'm gonna put so many videos of Maui check-ins. So go there. Also, hashtag sun sign. What sign are we in? What season are we in? Aries. So I'm doing a year project. 12 workshops, one for each season. Each workshop will be filmed with people of that sun, moon, or rising placement sign. So we filmed the Aries one. It's available on my website. Go check it out. It's a really good exploration. And it's so fascinating to put people who are all Aries in the same room and be like, oh, personalities. Yes, I love it. It's fascinating. If you have any Aries placement, if you just want to understand the season, this is for you. Also, on the 11th of April, I'm doing an 11 workshop. 11 is the master number of Portal, of the Master Intuitive. If you want help understanding your intuition and mastering your intuition, then this would be a great workshop for you. This workshop is going to happen 11 times this year. Yes, I'm doing a total of 23 workshops this year. This is, y'all, have fun. This is a great time. A great, 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 beautiful, beautiful, beautiful time. And I'm here for you. I'm here for you, and I love you. If you want also another adventure, go check out the website, paulflanagan.com. Kyle Anderson built it from scratch, hashtag code, and he did amazing. Tia Peterson helped, and I could not be more grateful for the two of them. So go check that out, paulflanagan.com. That's also where you get all the things. All the links, all the things. Blessings.